Okay, so students, takeoff of uh, first fire extinguisher, firefighting system, right? Takeoff of firefighting system we discussed earlier. So now we discuss takeoff of fire alarm system, right? Fire alarm system. So takeoff of fireworks. So fire alarm system is very easy, right? All things. So this is the drawing. This is a drawing of a fire alarm system. So if you take your drawing, so here you can uh, okay, sorry, okay, right. Okay, so here you can get your all symbols, right? Okay, all symbols. Uh, so this is the intelligent smoke detector with the standard base. So mounted type also they are mentioned. So ceiling mounted, so OOS, right? So first we want to count it. We need to count it all things here. So first one is this, right? I'm not going to take count. So these are the counts of this one, the 42. Next one is heat detector, right? So simple things, all are simple things. Smoke detector, there are 10 smoke detectors. So it's easy. You click count and each everyone. So it's take it, right? Okay, next CM fire alarm control relay. So I think you have a reason how do we get this data, right? That's the important thing. So in this data, so smoke detector, it's easy, right? So first you saw your description, right? First you saw your description. First is intelligent, this smoke detector stuff. So then it's count. So here you wait. Okay, here you go to count, right? There is option auto count, but auto count is not accurate. It's still in plan shift. So we usually used in manual counts, right? So click count. Wait a minute. Okay, wait a minute, right? Mm, okay. So first thing is intelligent smoke detector with standard base. So I type smoke, right? Smoke detector. So I smoke detector LH exists. So I type it smoke DT and color. Okay, blue is okay, right? So then click OK. So I know the symbol OS, right? OS is a symbol. So first I off it. Okay, now it's easy. So OS is a symbol. So this is the first one, right? This is the first one. And OS, this is the second one, right? Clicked OK. Right, this is the second one. So here you can see smoke did two numbers. Then this is the third one, right? This is the third one. So it's automatically count, right? It's automatically, it's the fourth one, automatically count. This is how you analyze this, you you categorize all these categories, right? From your description, right? From your descriptions, right? Sometimes there is a specification sheet. Also, there is a BOQ. In next session, I will discuss. I will discuss to you a BOQ, how to prepare. So there is a BOQ. So in BOQ there are all detail of all accessories are given, right? So you can easily get to your accessories. Then you can count it. You can measure the length. You can measure the area also, right? That's easy thing, right? Okay. So this is how you get all accessories and all counts, right? So okay, so this is how you count it. That is the easy thing. So please be prepared how to use plan shift, right? I posted a video in end of this lectures, end of the last session. The introduction plan shift, that's a civil works, right? I done in a QS diploma course. So I in that part, right? In that uh, particular part, so you can easily get an idea about how to count it, how to use the plan shift, how to convert it in Excel. I'm not going to explain here the estimating tools and all tools and pages, right? Because we don't have enough time. So you can see in estimating data, you can see all things are categorized here. All things are the CPHs and also vertical pipe and all are categorized, right? Then we can easily convert it our to export to Excel, right? Export to Excel. It's very easy, right? If you want to estimate your price and total price, you can estimate here, but especially we are not doing our estimation here, so please do please how to delete in these tables, right? In this table, so in introduction sessions I explained it, right? So I'm not going to explain it again and again. So it's very easy, right? Okay. So in columns and rows, so the importance are a description. In these are the description, right? We don't want another description. These are the descriptions and quantities and with uh, units, right? Units also very important for our BOQ preparation. So in these three columns are very important. Another columns are not important for us, right? So if you don't want it, okay, we can close it. If you don't want it, we can close this. And if you don't want the color, so but for our reference, we take in the color in our BOQ, then we can convert it in Excel, right? Okay. So let's review. We'll move on how to prepare a BOQ, right? No, here I'm not going to discuss with you how to estimate this, right? How to do a rate analysis, how that's a uh, major, that's a another things, right? So I posted another lecture series for rate analysis, that the mainly in civil works I posted all things are same, but in future I try to add with the rate analysis within firefighting. But in this lecture series, our main aim, main objective is you get a idea about all the firefighting and fire alarm system equipments, accessories with takeoff. That's the main thing, science, because this is a short course. So if I explain all things here, it's collapse, right? So please be get the ideas and then prepare your next steps, right? Okay. So let's move on our BOQ.